Yeah, so we're going to hear from Michael from Copprint telling us about sustainable additive production of PCBs. So yeah, good luck.
Thank you, Kasia. Yes, so my name is Michael Grouchko, and I'm from Copprint, and today I will talk about copper inks, sustainable additive manufacturing of circuit boards. So first, a few words about Copprint. Copprint exists more than 9 years. We have very famous investors behind us. And today we are focusing mainly on 3 markets: PV, where we are replacing existing silver with our copper paste; PCB, where we are replacing etching copper by printing copper; and RFIDs, where we are printing copper on paper. So very few words about the other markets that I won't focus on today. RFIDs today, more than 40 billion tags are being produced every year, and this is only based on etching. What we are suggesting is to move to printing. Printed copper antennas are much more sustainable, but let's leave that topic to another talk. Another market that we are active in is the PV. Today, silver is printed as the conductor on all the PV, siliconized PV today, and we are replacing the existing silver paste by copper paste. Many different solar cells. Here we are presenting specifically the IBC solar cells, but we are active in many more, and this is a very, very large market. Generally, we are active in many applications. You can see here some examples of transparent displays on the bottom left. You can see printing roll-to-roll on PET, printed copper instead of etching copper for light elements. Whenever you have a conductor, probably we can print it. So you know that in any electronic device, there is a printed circuit board. And this is a very, very large market. And the basic question is, why do we call it PCB, printed circuit board? It is not printed today. As you know, all the PCBs today are being etched. And the reason for calling it printed is because about 100 years ago, it was printed. The first PCBs were printed by using silver paste. And there are several examples for that. But about 25 years after that, everyone were moving to etching instead of printing silver. And the motivation to leave the etching is, first, etching is highly polluting. The PCB industry is responsible for 0.5% of the total world CO2 equivalent. So it is a huge number, very polluting industry. Secondly, if we will print the PCB and design it properly, it will be also cheaper. So today, you know, if you want to print a conductor, you probably have only silver ink, unless you're using Copprint paste. And the disadvantage of the silver paste is mainly the cost, but also its carbon footprint is much, much higher than copper paste. The industry today, the PCB industry today, is using etching because it is cheaper. But as I mentioned, the main challenge is that it is highly toxic. It is possible today almost only in Asia Pacific due to